In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify ad to cart button color. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly update your button to match your brand and make it stand out more on your product pages. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This will open up a list of your themes. At the top of that list, you'll see your current theme. Next to it, click on the option to edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually customize how your store looks. Inside the theme editor, look towards the top center of the screen for the page selector. By default, this is usually set to Home Page. Click on that selector to open the drop-down menu. From the list of page types, choose Products and then select Default Product. This makes sure you're editing the layout and styling of a typical product page where your Add to Cart button appears. Once your default product page loads in the editor, check the left-hand panel. Here you'll see different sections that control the content and design of the page. Find the section called Product Information and click on it. This is where most of the details and controls for your product page layout live. Near the top of the product information settings, you'll see an option called Color Scheme with a drop-down next to it. Click on that drop-down to see the available color schemes for this section. As you select each color scheme, keep an eye on the preview on the right side of the screen. You should see the Add to Cart button update as you click through the different options. Take a moment to test a few and see which one feels right for your store. If you like a particular color scheme but want a different button color specifically, you can customize it further. Still in the left panel, click the same color scheme drop-down, and this time, choose the option to edit the selected color scheme. You'll now see more detailed editing options for that scheme. Look for the setting labeled Solid Button Background. Next to it, you'll see a color box with a hex code. Click that box to open the color picker. From here, choose any color you like. You can drag around the color area, adjust sliders, or paste in a specific hex code if you have one. Watch the preview on the right as you do this so you can see exactly how your Add to Cart button will look on the live site. When you're happy with the color, the final step is to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of your Shopify Add to Cart button.